Got a little update on the coupe here. Frame has been cleaned, painted, took care of all the rust areas. There's the bolt-on chassis engineering front suspension. I'm working on brake lines. These are tricky. So there's my 70 Nova rear end. Fits absolutely perfect. I decided to stay with the brake drums because, I don't know, it just seemed easier, and then I can always change them later on. But for right now, I just got new brake drum kit put on it, so got that done. Ran the brake line across the rear end, got that all in place. Welded a tab on the frame there to hold it. I believe I left enough space there for travel. I jacked it all the way up in the air and then let it free hang, so it shouldn't drop very much more than that, but I think that should be fine. And that's kind of where we're at. That's a chassis engineering rear end leaf spring kit. So it came with the bar and the shocks. It was a nice little kit. Went together really, really simple. I had an issue with the rear end. It was pretty rotted out. This side was rotted out. Somebody replaced this side, and they did a horrible job. They just used a giant piece of tubing to go out the back, and it wasn't the same height. It wasn't level, so everything was messed up. So what I ended up doing was cutting the back end completely off, and I had my buddy who's a certified welder come, and we welded in a whole rear section. So it matches up really nice. As you can see, we did the flat bar, so we kept the top hat design, went back nice and easy and straight, and everything, like I said, bolted up really, really nice. So she's coming along. She's taking longer, but she's coming along. So that's kind of the update right now. Ran into an issue with the front calipers. I got to get a bracket or some kind of fitting to go on the bottom of the caliper so that I can hook the flexible hose up. And I'm thinking I'm just going to mount it right kind of where that hole is, or I'm actually looking at going through the frame, put it through the frame mount fitting in there. So I'm going to go order those now, and once I do that, I'll let you know. But she's looking pretty good. I'm happy. We're getting there. Till next time.